Today on Trash Panda Off-Road, we're going to use these Nilight universal ditch light mounts right here, and we're going to put some ditch lights on. Seen these on the internet a little bit ago, and I figured I'd want to give them a try. You guys remember when I had the stock bumper on here, I had those Nilight pod lights. Well, I've switched over to this LED here that's on there above the winch, and I didn't know what I wanted to do with the pod lights. I've seen PDXJ's YouTube channel has some really nice bars that come up here, and you got mounts right here for your pod lights, and I really like those, but I just haven't been able to make contact with him to get a set. So I saw these on the internet, and they're like $12 or something like that, and I wanted to try them. So they're from Nilight also, so they should work with my Nilight lights. But basically, it's a universal style bracket for your ditch lights. And we're going to put them right here like that. And then we will put the Nilight lights on here. Some of the things I saw on the internet, the issue is right here with this bolt. It already starts to poke through a little bit right there, and that could damage paint. But you guys, I mean, I cooked dinner on this thing, so I'm not really concerned too much about the paint. So according to the internet, they're real simple to do. Take this little Allen, loosen up all these little bolts right here, and then you slide this on right like that and tighten the bolts back up, and that's pretty much it. And then you can mount your lights on there, and then you will have a set of ditch lights without having to drill any holes. So let's find my Nilight lights that we took off the bumper and check this out. Of course, the Allen that came with this set is not the same Allen that fits on the back of the current Nilight bracket. So I had to go dig out the one I had and then take out this big giant screw. And this is the piece that you're left with that connects everything. And I'm hoping that because these are made to go with each other, like I was saying, if you crank this thing down all the way, it won't make that big giant bump right there. So we'll take this thing here all the way out, and then put this piece in here like so. Can't really do it with one hand. So we'll put it all back together, and then we'll give it a mount. So we got the Nilight bracket on there, and you can see that you crank it down and it does not create that bump that people were talking about on the internet. But my concern is that now that it's tied down, I can't adjust the bracket itself. So I gotta kind of guess where I want the light to point, and then we'll figure it out from there. So this is gonna go here like this, and then you have to take the little metal piece that comes with it and stick the metal piece, so it goes like that, goes above on your hood like that. Then this metal piece that comes with it goes in here with these, I think these two little, oh, there's holes right there, so they go into the holes right there like that, and then you just crank these all back up to put it nice and tight. So we'll do that, and then we'll try to figure out how we want these lights to point. So after getting them set up on there, I like this one being scooted over a little further than this one over here. So we're going to loosen that one back up, slide it over about 1 inch, and then we'll try to recenter the lights the best we can. There they are, all installed and on there. Not sure how I feel about them. Just in terms of if they're going to stay put, they wobble a little bit, and I haven't figured out how to get this as tight as I need. Maybe I need to put a spacer or something in there. Didn't wire anything up yet. It's getting dark, and I actually also bought a gang box. So I'm going to start rewiring everything, the fan, the lights, that light bar. We're going to run all that to a gang box instead, so is that there's one set of wires, one set of fuses, one big panel. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you want to see that kind of stuff. That's going to be coming up shortly. And then we'll get these wired in, and I'll update you guys as always on the Instagram as to the adjustment of these and if I still like them and how they're working out. But as of right now, I think they're okay. You know, for 12 bucks, we got some lights up there. We'll see what happens. Pretty happy with it. So far so good. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Again, subscribe to the channel for Geo Tracker content. Over 100 videos here. Currently own 3 Geo Trackers, the X90, and that Samurai. So check out the rest of the videos on the channel, and hopefully there's something on there that helps you out. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.